Hello there. Now let me teach you how to fix your AirDrop not working on iPhone. I have a few steps for you to try here. First things first, the easiest one should be click on airplane mode. Click on airplane mode and then give it a 3 to 5 seconds time and then click off. So that's the first step. And if it still doesn't work, click on Bluetooth, turn it off and on again, same as the airplane mode, as we did earlier. Now that being said, if it's still the problem is persisting, make sure your hotspot is turned off. How to check on that? You can just check on this one, the control center. It should be off, the personal hotspot. Or if you can find that option, go to settings. And then as you can see here, cellular, I'm gonna highlight it. It's off. So third option is checked, it's off. Let's move on. Now that being said, I want you to pull down your control center again. Click on this one, and then as you can see here, there is an AirDrop option. This one over, if you hold it, you'll see a few options here. It says everyone, contacts only, or receiving off. Make sure it's on. Choose any of these two right here. That means your AirDrop is on. And personally, I always choose contacts only so you don't have any random stranger airdropping anything to your phone. Next, if that problem is still persisting, I want you to try on first restarting your phone. How to do that? You should click on your lower power button and power button at the same time. So that's power button and lower volume button at the same time. Wait for the Apple logo to appear and then release. It should restart your phone. And 99% or 90% of the problem should be fixed by that time. However, in some instances, if it's still not fixed, I want you to try going on settings. And then look for Generals tab. It should be this one right here. And then look at the very bottom. Look for this one. Transfer or reset iPhone. From here, you have two choices. You have reset and then erase all contact and settings. I want you to click on reset. So from reset, you have reset all settings, network, keyboard, home screen, and location and privacy. So technically, you have a few choices here. I want you to look for network. Click on that one. Once you click on it, technically, restarting network settings just means removing any data or any cache or any memory on your network settings. So technically, AirDrop should be a clean restart for this one. If the problem is still persisting after all of those steps, I only have one solution for you that I want you to try. Go on General and then look for software update. Make sure your phone is up to date. As you can see on my end, I have a pending update of iOS 16.4.1. This should be the latest version of iOS right now. I'm gonna update later, but technically I want you to update yours all the way up to date. So I assure you, once you try all of those steps, AirDrop should be working on your end now. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.